Hello, you have logged into One India News YouTube channel and this is Mariam. India has come a far way since independence. Is this statement right? Or have we moved back to the primitive ages? With episodes of cow vigilantism, rising crime against women, farmer suicide, curbing freedom of speech, well, it seems like we have actually moved back to the primitive ages. An Assam-based cartoonist, Rituparna Rajbangshi, has received a death threat. What for? That is the question. So he had recently made a cartoon criticizing the Narendra Modi government over the recent deaths of more than 70 children at the BRD Medical College in Gorakhpur. This incident of the cartoonist receiving a death threat for expressing his opinion has once again brought to light the issue of attack on freedom of speech under the current BJP government. Rajbangshi has approached the police for protection after he received threat calls over the cartoon he had posted on Facebook on the occasion of 71st Independence Day on Tuesday. In the cartoon on Gorakhpur tragedy, Modi was seen wearing a mask and getting oxygen from a cylinder marked as corporate. In the same cartoon, a cow, about which the centre has taken a very protective approach, is also seen breathing with the help of corporate-sponsored oxygen, while a corpse of a child is seen atop a stand of oxygen cylinder. The portrayal of Modi in the cartoon has angered the PM supporters, because of which the cartoonist is now scared for his life. In the cartoon, Rajbangshi tried linking Modi getting corporate funding with the recent Gorakhpur incident, rise in crime against women and farmer suicide. A Facebook friend of the cartoonist, allegedly upset over the cartoon, threatened him by commenting, "You stupid Rituparna, somebody shoot him dead." Well, India is a democracy, but a country where the people do not have the right to express their views and opinions. The democratic status of such a country should be questioned. That's all for now. For more news and interesting stories, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.